Hello everyone, Chamila here from LivinStudio. Today we are diving into CapCut, a fantastic video editing app available on mobile, tablet, Mac and PC. We'll be learning how to create a cool textural background effect for your intros. So let's jump right in. Go to the text tab, click on default text and drag into your timeline. Type your welcome message. I'll type in welcome to. Add another text layer to timeline and type Sri Lanka. Choose a font. When you are choosing your font, choose a wall font so the background shows through the text. I extend the text layer to 12 seconds to match the video footage, which is 14 seconds long. Go to the animation tab, select the 15 text animation under In tab. And set the animation duration to 5 seconds. Export the animation. Now let's bring in all media we need, including the text animation, which we created before, video footage, and a music track. Place the text animation in timeline and delete the layers we used earlier. Add the video footage and music track to timeline. My footage is Trincomalee Harbour in Sri Lanka. I'm turning off the visibility of text animation for now, so we can fine-tune footage. I want to see the signal tower appears in the end, so I'm reversing the footage and trim the footage. Let's blend the text animation with footage. Turn the text animation visibility back on. Go to blend and select multiply blend mode. To make it look even more cinematic, go to mask and apply a mirror mask. Drag the playhead to the start. Adjust the mask to cover all video and add a keyframe. Move to the 3 second and add another keyframe. At the 6 second mark, adjust the mask and add another keyframe, dragging the handle down. At the 8 second mark, add another keyframe and adjust the mask upwards. At the 9 second mark, make final adjustment to the mask. For the finishing touches, at the 10 second mark, go to the basic tab, set the opacity to 100%, add a keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the text animation and reduce the opacity to 0. Finally, I am adding in and out animation at the start and end, each set to 1 second. So that's it, you're almost done. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, Want more cool CapCut tricks? Subscribe for further videos and see you next time.